Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the darkest chapters of Olympic history, how Hitler used the 1936 Berlin Olympics for Nazi propaganda. August 1st, 1936. Berlin, the capital of Nazi Germany, hosts a grand spectacle in a brand new monumental stadium. The world watched as athletes paraded before Adolf Hitler a mere 3 years before World War II would ravage Europe. But this wasn't just any sports event, it was a meticulously planned propaganda operation designed by Joseph Goebbels to deceive the world. The stadium, the lavish Olympic village, everything was crafted to present a peaceful, tolerant Germany. Let's talk about some key figures. First, Jesse Owens, the African-American athlete who won 4 gold medals. His triumph was a massive blow to Hitler's Aryan supremacy ideology. Owens's friendship with German long jumper Lutz Long was a shining example of sportsmanship amidst political tension. However, not all athletes had such a chance. Gretel Bergmann, a Jewish high jump champion, was excluded from the Games despite breaking the national record. The Nazis promised Jewish representation but excluded her at the last minute, showcasing their hypocrisy. The Games were awarded to Berlin in 1931, before the Nazis came to power. But by 1933, Hitler was Chancellor, and the Nuremberg laws were enacted by 1935, stripping Jews of their rights. The Olympics became a tool for Nazi deception. Hitler, who initially saw the Olympics as decadent, quickly realized their potential for propaganda. Goebbels orchestrated a PR campaign that temporarily lifted anti-Semitic measures and promised Jewish athletes on the German team. These measures were enough to suppress the boycott movement in the US and Europe. The French Olympic team's gesture was misinterpreted as a Nazi salute, further fueling the propaganda. And let's not forget Leni Riefenstahl's film Olympia, glorifying Aryan athletes, another cog in the Nazi propaganda machine. As the world focused on the spectacle, Hitler continued his military build-up. The Games served as a smokescreen. 3 years later, in 1939, the world saw Hitler's true intentions with the outbreak of World War II. The 1936 Olympics remind us of the power of propaganda and the importance of vigilance in the face of deception. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more historical insights. See you next time.